I better get this done quickly before the Solderless Breadboard police show up and take me away for the absolutely heinous use of leaded components and just look at this thing. The capacitor there is 471, that's 470 PF. Its date code is 1969, week 31. The chip on the bottom there is an MC34063. It's a boost regulator, switch mode, 80 volt capacitor on the output, and we're producing 55 volts, just what I need. And that 55 volts or so is going through that red crocodile clip to that stripy red wire, and it's making the DM160 light up and blink, and it's all coming from a 5 volt power supply. 5 volts comes in over here, and that's the current we're drawing, 80 odd milliamps. And yeah, it works. It shouldn't, but it does.